Prosperity tip of the day. Be generous. Yes. Activate the law of giving and receiving. When you're not holding on to your money so tight or your possessions, you're telling the universe that you believe that you'll be okay, that you'll have what you need. So be generous. And I'm not saying give away everything you have, but maybe think about a little bit of a stretch goal of how you could be a little bit more generous and see what that brings back to you. And give from the heart. Find a place in you that you can give and not expect anything in return. The universe has a way of surprising us with how it activates and creates in this law of giving and receiving. So try it out, experiment, and have fun. Be prosperous.